how to download your Facebook photos all at once. In order to do that, you may follow up these methods. So open up the Facebook app. And in order to do that, you can use the download your information feature. So in order to access that feature, you may tap on your profile at the menu at the top right. And this opens up. Now from here, you may head over to settings at the top. And once you head over to settings, go to account center. And from account center, under account settings, you should be finding your informations and permissions. Go ahead and click on it. And then once you click on it, we have this download your information option. Go ahead and locate that option and tap on it. After tapping on it, tap on download or transfer information and select up your Facebook account and then tap on next. And after doing so, here we have available information and specific time for information. Select specific if you only want your photos. And once you do that, here we have this option of post. You may select that, or we have different options like post, photos. If you can find that, you may select that. Otherwise, you can select post, as if you select post, it will basically download all of your pictures as well. So tap on next. After that, you may select up a destination where you would like to download it. For example, your device or your the destination. Let's head over to download to this device. Once you do that, you may select up the date range from where you would like it. If your post is from last 3 years, you may select last 3 years. Otherwise, you can also customize it and tap on save. After that, you may select up your email address where you would like the files to be emailed at. After that, select the format and the media quality as well and tap on create files on your screen. Once done, it will basically make it download your Facebook photos all at once onto your provided email address. It takes a bit time, so wait for their response to be completed, and when you get the mail, you should be finding all of your photos that you're trying to download. So that is it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.